So these are solar globe lights, 50 LEDs, 11 modes. Special thanks to this company for sending this product out to me. There's their company name, light up your home or garden with their decorative lights. It sounds like, from the looks of this will be a solar powered light strip. So LED low voltage decorative lights, energy saving, environmentally friendly, no overheating, the safest option. Devoted to building the newest and best price quality decorative lights, their website and everything. So they look like very nice. Let's see, thank you for choosing. Oh yeah, look at this. So they're solar powered. What else we got down in here? That's probably for the solar panel. And then that's it for the box. So a little user's guide here telling us how long everything is. So the total length is 31 feet and the lighted portion is 24 feet. The power cable is 6.6 feet and they're warm white and multicolor. So pretty cool that it charges through a, looks like 1000 milliamp hour battery that's included, and the charging time is 6 hours on sunny days, and you'll get a lighting time of 10 to 12 hours on steady mode 3. So there's a couple different modes here. That's so this is the lights, and well, this is the solar panel. So I guess we need to just kind of get this out in the sun so it can start charging. Now there is a plastic thing over this. Should I? Yeah, it looks like this does peel off. All right, there we go. We've peeled that off. And now we should just be able to hit our on button, and now we'll take this out to the sun and let it charge up. All right, so we're gonna take these and put these along the back of our fence here, just kind of somewhere to put them for now. All right, so I've set my solar panel here and just kind of makeshiftly tied them off here. And then now we're gonna take the rest of this and see how far we can stretch it. So looks like about right here at this post. And so there we go, we're tied off at this end and it just runs along the back of the fence here, which, you know, just looks nice. We'll brighten it up and it'll give you guys a good visualization of what these can offer. All right, so let's let these charge and see what they look like tonight. Here is this set of LED string lights. It's completely solar powered. Now this does have some different modes, 4 steady modes and 7 flashing modes. Come over here to our little receiver. You can see we have mode and then of course on off. So if I hit the mode button, look at that, now we got like Christmas lights. Oh wow. And then there's another mode, mode 4. Mode 5 is kind of moving. I like that. Oh, they're changing. Yeah. There's everything. Yeah. Mode 6. These are almost like Christmas lights. Flashing. Mode 8. 9. I like 9. And I think that's 10. Yeah. So there we go, that's all the modes. Very cool. Which one you like the most, babe? This one?
That one's got the constant change in that, or all white. Yeah.
There we go. Oh, there we go. That's really cool. And the fact that it's just all solar powered can't be beat. So there we go, the LED string lights. Very cool.